And new tonight, we're finding out why an independent prosecutor is refusing to bring criminal charges against Van Buren County Sheriff Dale Gribler. This despite serious allegations that he misused thousands of dollars in public money. 24 Hour News 8's Steve Kelso joins us in studio. Steve?
Good evening, Brian. You know, last night we told you about some very serious allegations made by the Van Buren County Board of Commissioners against Sheriff Dale Gribler. I also told you that the commissioners publicly expressed their, quote, dismay and disgust with independent prosecutor Victor Fitz. This afternoon, I was able to track down Mr. Fitz. I took those questions directly to him.
There just simply wasn't sufficient evidence of any criminal intent in this case.
Victor Fitz was assigned the task of making that determination by the state's attorney general. In this letter addressed to Gribler, the Van Buren County Board alleges that the sheriff bought suits with a county credit card. One of them was not his size, but his son's. And members of the board say when they asked Gribler about the charges,
he lied to us. He just did not tell the truth, period.
Other allegations include Gribler's use of 3 separate county funds as a slush fund, and they say he mismanaged it by tens of thousands of dollars. The county also alleges that Gribler made legitimate county purchases at ABC Warehouse, but that everything he bought came from salesman Gregory Gribler, the sheriff's son. They say that constitutes a conflict of interest that Gribler should have recognized. The prosecutor says all of that may be true, but it does not mean a crime was committed.
Was there perhaps bungling? Was there perhaps things done that were not the wisest way in which to handle finances and budgets? I think that's probably true. But again, bad judgment does not equate to criminal intent.
I also asked the prosecutor about the commissioners publicly expressing, quote, dismay and disgust, end quote, with his decision. He says the letter was the first he had heard of it.
And I do understand their frustration, but again, I always think the best way, if you're dissatisfied with somebody, is to man up and go talk to the person.
To be fair, we have offered Sheriff Gribler 2 opportunities to respond to this story. Yesterday, I left him a message that was never returned, so tonight I drove to his rural Van Buren County home. I was told he wasn't there. You can read the letter in its entirety at woodtv.com.